racing as they battle for the 2012 Pilracom Diamond 3. We have yes. Break quickly at the start. Dancing Dolphin, Golden Empire in between horses is Hagdang Bato. Then comes for Full Ribbon, running by the release Chevron. Patron comes next, isa pa, while Shoemaker is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have yes, by about 3/4 of a length lead. Golden Empire is right behind in second. Dancing Dolphin, Hagdang Bato is down in fourth. Then followed by Fall for Ribbon. Chevron comes next. Patron, isa pa, while Shoemaker is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Golden Empire. Yes. Hagdang Bato is racing in third. Then comes Dancing Dolphin for Full Ribbon. Then here comes Patron. Now starting to put big strides. Chevron, isa pa, while Shoemaker is still running at the tail of the field. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now starting to make their moves inside the last 400. We Hagdang Bato now takes command by about 4 lengths. Golden Empire moving up now at the outside. Patron as they swing for home. Hagdang Bato this time by about 4 lengths. Patron in second. Golden Empire remains in third. Last 75 meters, we have Hagdang Bato followed by Patron, and finally the 2012 Pilracom Diamond 3 belongs to Hagdang Bato. Patron, Golden Empire, then comes number 1 Chevron.
Well placed ka agad itong si Hagdang Bato right from the start.